So all my Amazon parcels have just arrived. But basically, it's all kitchen gadgets that apparently we all need. So I'm going to open these. I'm going to show you what they are, and then I'm going to put them to the test. And I'm going to see if they really are worth the hype. This was $3.99. It's meant to help you open jars and cans and stuff. I'll put it to the test, see if it's actually worth it.
Okay, clip that on. I mean, it works. Can you put it back on? Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool. For me personally, it's more of a gimmick, although I probably will use it for the small times that I can't open a jar. Yeah, I like that. That's easy and cheap. I like that. 7 out of 10.
Oh, okay. This is, as you can see, it's a chopping board. This was just under £20. Maybe the most expensive thing I bought in this haul, but it's meant to be a premium, it says. Premium bamboo chopping board with storage trays. So we will see.
So I've just opened the chopping board and it feels really nice, actually. For instance, if I was going to cut an onion, and then I'm going to use this bit for the bits that I want, and then this compartment for the bin. Okay, you know what? That is pretty cool.
So as you can see, I've cut the onion there, and then bin here, and that actually is really helpful.
I think that's a good 9 out of 10, so I would definitely recommend.
And then this is the thing I'm most excited about. It's £18, just under £18, and I'm so excited for this. It's a vegetable chopper, all these different compartments where you can grate cheese, cut up onions, and you literally just slice it and it shreds it right there for you. Apparently it's really easy, it's all in a little kind of box, so all you collect it all there. I think this will be great.
Oh my lord. That's not as easy as it looks. But you're left with perfectly diced onion. Okay, I like that. I think I need to get used to it more to be able to use it quickly and efficiently, and would it be easier than a knife? I'm not sure for me, we'll see. But I think 18 quid isn't too bad. You get loads with it, and if you do use it and you're comfortable with it, I reckon it could be like an absolute staple in the kitchen. So out of 10, I'd say an 8. Idea is great.
This is a lot smaller than what I thought it was going to be. It's tiny. It's a Reseal Gadget to reseal old bags that are half open, half eaten, whatever. 7 quid. I mean, it's not the most expensive thing in the world, but 7 quid for a bag sealer, you probably could just tie it up, I don't know. But we'll see.
This also comes off, and then you have a heating end, which is this end, and then a cutting end, which is this end. It's got a tiny little blade. Again, careful with kids. Okay, and then you just put it on, and then press. I really want this to work. Okay, that's literally not doing anything. Okay, that's not working. I don't know if it's my batteries or, I don't know. That's, yeah. I think this was 8 quid as well. So, 3 out of 10. Idea's good, but I don't think I'd use that anyway. I think I'd probably just roll it up.
So, next thing was these reusable food wraps. These were just under £5, and they're silicone, microwave, dishwasher, and oven safe. I like that it comes in like recycled wrapping. I like that. It's no plastic, which is nice. They look a bit weird, but loads of different sizes. I've seen so many people use these. Great if you have, like, you know, children and you want to pack up their lunches.
Okay, that's on. It's got some room. Okay, that's good. Okay, so it works on square, because they come circle. So I know maybe I'm just being silly, but that's cool, that works. You have little mini ones. So could you put it on a glass, for instance? I've got a glass of water. If you were outside. Cool, okay. I'm scared. Yes, I'd say 9 or 10 out of 10 for these. Really simple idea, but I reckon would be really handy. Could you do milk cartons, dishes, if you lose the lids? If you're out and about, maybe have one of these little kind of mini ones in your pocket for kids' cans, and good for kind of keeping storing food. I like that, okay, love those.
Yeah, if you liked any of these things, let me know what you thought about them, waste of money, or whether you'd get them. I think they're definitely interesting, and it's definitely getting more modern in your kitchen, different gadgets I like, so I'd say it's pretty successful. Let me know what you think.